Ready to have your mind blown? Forget aliens from distant galaxies, because our own planet Earth is home to some of the most bizarre and unbelievable creatures you could ever imagine. Today, we're recounting down the top 5 weirdest animals that will make you question everything you thought you knew about biology. So buckle up, because things are about to get strange. Coming in at number 5, we have the blobfish. It's gelatinous deep-sea dweller. Looks like a grumpy, melted old man. It's found off the coasts of Australia and New Zealand. It lives at depths where the pressure is over 100 times greater than at the surface. Its gooey, pudding-like body is actually a brilliant adaptation. It has very few muscles, so its flesh, which is slightly less dense than water, allows it to float effortlessly just above the seafloor, conserving energy while it waits for unsuspecting prey to drift by. So, while it might win an award for the ugliest animal, it's also a master of deep-sea survival. Next up at number 4 is the incredible axolotl. This Mexican salamander is the real-life Peter Pan of the animal kingdom. Why? Because it never truly grows up, reaches adulthood without undergoing metamorphosis, meaning it keeps its feathery external gills and lives its entire life underwater. But its most jaw-dropping superpower is its ability to regenerate. An axolotl can regrow not just limbs, but also parts of its spine, jaw, and even its brain without any scarring. Scientists are studying these amazing creatures, hoping to unlock the secrets of regeneration for human medicine. Sliding into our number 3 spot is the Thorny Devil. This Australian lizard looks like a miniature, dragon-covered head to toe in intimidating spikes. But these thorns are mostly for show, a clever defense to make it look unappetizing to predators. Its weirdest feature, however, is how it drinks. Its entire body is covered in a complex system of microscopic grooves between its scales. When it finds a puddle or even morning dew, these grooves act like tiny straws, using capillary action to channel water from any part of its body directly to its mouth. It can literally drink with its feet. At number 2, we have the narwhal. It's often called the unicorn of the sea, that majestic tusk, which can grow up to 10 feet long. Isn't a horn at all, it's actually a single, elongated canine tooth that spirals out from its upper jaw. For centuries, its purpose was a mystery. But now we know this tusk is a highly sensitive sensory organ packed with up to 10 million nerve endings. It helps the narwhal navigate and taste the water, detecting changes in temperature, pressure, and even the salt content to find its favorite food, like halibut, in the murky Arctic waters. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot as the weirdest animal on our list is the platypus. This creature is so strange that when the first specimen was sent to England in the 18th century, scientists thought it was a hoax, a duck's bill sewn onto a beaver's body. It's one of the few mammals that lays eggs. The males are also venomous, possessing a sharp spur on their hind legs, capable of delivering a painful sting. And if that's not weird enough, they hunt underwater with their eyes, ears, and nostrils shut, using thousands of receptors on their bill to detect the faint electrical fields generated by their prey's muscle contractions. A venomous, egg-laying mammal with a duck bill that hunts with electricity. The platypus is proof that nature has a wild imagination. So there you have it, 5 of the most wonderfully weird animals on our planet. Which one do you think is the strangest? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the bizarre, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing animal content. See you next time.